Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another makeover video. I'll be making over my kitchen. So my kitchen and I, we have a love-hate relationship, yes. So there's a lot of things I do not like about this kitchen, but one major thing that I like is the space. It is ample. There's a good amount of space, and a lot of person when they see this video, they are going to say, why is she making over the kitchen? The kitchen looks good. Yes, I know it looks good, but guess what? It is not my decor style. Um, Everybody have different decor style, different tastes. I appreciate persons and their decor style, but this one is not mine. I don't love the layout of the window. That is one of the reasons why I'm gonna do the makeover. The window is not centered, and I hate the color of the wood. That's the major reason for this makeover. Hate the color of the wood. It looks heavy on my eyes, and the upper cupboards, they're too bulky. They take up a lot of space in here. There are too much uppers in here. So guys, without saying much more, let's just jump right into the video and I'll explain what is about to happen. So when you first enter the kitchen, this is what you'll see. We have a little island right here in the center. You can see the upper cupboards, the refrigerator, the sink, the window. So basically this is the focal point. So getting a little closer now, you can see the window. It's not centered. The sink is not in the center under the window. The window is extremely huge. It's just one window. And then to the right, we have the pantry. So these are the upper cupboards. So this is the wall for the pantry. So we have cupboards here also. All of this is going to go because we're going to change the direction of the doorway for the pantry and put it on this side. So this is the original doorway. So all of this is going to close off. This is the pantry room. Yes, so the pantry room is going to totally change up because I'm going to turn the pantry room into a prep kitchen. So basically it's gonna be like two kitchens. We have the show kitchen and the prep kitchen. So all of these are going to go. The wine rack, everything, no more wine rack, no more wine glass holder. Everything right here is going to go. And this is the window. As you can see it a little closer. The stove is right there. Nothing is centered. All these uppers, everything up here, they are going to go. So we started taking out stuff from the cupboards because we're about to take down the upper cupboards. So that is why you see all this mess going on right now. Yes, so we have a lot of stuff on the island. So we're going to change the design of the island. So as you come along with me, you'll get to see a lot of stuff that is going on. So my partner and I will be doing this project. He is gonna do the demo, so he doesn't like to be on camera, so when it's my time to work you'll see, but I'll try to explain as much of what is going on. So this is the breakfast nook area, so all of that is going to change up also. So guys, this is day one. Demo has started. So all the upper covers are gone from this side. So remember I told you this was the pantry wall. So this is inside the pantry. We took out the shelves, the food. So we started relocating already. So this is inside the pantry. And I marked out the space where we're going to cut the doorway. So remember I told you earlier that we're going to change the doorway. So inside of this room is going to be a prep kitchen. So there was no window before and we're going to cut a window. So as you can see, we cut the door already at the side right there. We still have the other door on, the original door. So there was no window in there, so we have to cut a window to for the outside. So this is it, guys. This is day 3, guys, and we took down the door. There was a curved wall right here, and we took down the curved wall. So, well, my partner did all of that, so I'm not going to take the credit for that. He did all of that, yes. So he did all the demolition, and as I stated before, you know, he's not the camera kind of person, so that's why I'm explaining it. When I'm ready to work, you will see me in action. So he took off the piece of wall and the door right there, so we're gonna block it up. We're gonna block it up and create and turn it into a room, a larger room. So that is it, guys. So this is day 3, guys, and as you can see, some blocks are on the floor. I placed them there, you know, just to get a layout of how big I want the room to be. All upper cupboards are gone, as you can see, and I have relocated to another area, you know, to cook, because the real demolition has started. So, you know, just put those blocks on the ground just to get an idea like how large I would want this room. So see, I marked out the window space that we are going to create inside of the pantry. Yes, so we're going to do a huge window. One mistake that was made at first was that there was no window. So if you have a block, as in like brick wall pantry, I would recommend putting a window, because when the food get hot, trust me, they will spoil. So where am I at now? I think this is what, day 4? I don't even remember, but you know, the demo has started. So we started busting through the walls. Yes, we're going straight through on the outside. And then on this side now, remember I told you that the window is not centered. So we are going to cut another window. We're going to create 2 windows in the outside of the kitchen, like the show kitchen. So in all, the kitchen will have 3 windows. So a lot of stuff has been going on. So now that we are finished with the pantry, the window space has been cut out. We are going to do the window in the show kitchen, the big kitchen. So this big window here, we're going to block up a part of it, and then we're going to cut another window on the left side. So guys, this is the end of the video. So this is part 1. If you like the video, remember to leave a thumbs up, share with a friend. So look out for part 2. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.